Hello again everybody, welcome to a quick unboxing video of the Meepo board 100mm PU sleeves, which are basically to replace the quickly wearing out 90mm sleeves, and to hopefully improve the ride quality basically. So here's the box. Now, before anyone thinks, how the hell did he get a set of these bad boys, because they're sold out on the Meepo website. These came courtesy of Alex at 3D Factory. He's got a YouTube channel which has got the same name, 3D Factory. It's well worth subscribing to, so give it a look. He undertakes really cool 3D printing projects, such as he built his own electric skateboard, and he recently started designing sort of super hard wearing 3D printed wheels that can take your board off-road. That all looks very interesting, so please go and give him a sub. That's Alex 3D Factory. Anyway, my thanks to Alex for these PU sleeves. He very kindly sent them next day special delivery. So please go and look him up and sub to his channel. Not only will he appreciate it, but he really deserves it. Such a cool guy. Now let's open this box and see what we have. So first things first. Alex has given me a nice sticker for 3D Factory. So there you go. Nice one, Alex. Thanks. Okay, so what have we got? Fingers off. Right, so this is saying when you fit the new sleeves, watch your fingers because of the really strong magnets. I'll take it. Caution, warning, be careful. Fingers away. Because of the super strong magnetic power, your hub motor core and the PU with stick together all of a sudden. So please keep your hands and fingers away from where the PU covers. Okay, I think I get the message. Maybe need to work on that translation. Okay, let's have a look in here. And here we are. 100mm. So you're obviously getting an extra 5mm of rubber on the edge on both sides. So it totals 10mm. But looking good. So let's have a look what it's going to look like compared to the 90s. Wow. Pretty chunky. And next to the motors, look at that. Try and lift it up. There we are. That's your size comparison. Wow. It should last a lot longer, shouldn't it? So what else we got? We've got a little bag which appears to have an Allen key, or Torx wrench I think it is, and the screws for, you know, fitting these bad boys. So replacement ones of those, which is nice. So we'll try and fit them. Right, guys, just to show you the reason for the warning where it says fingers off, I'll show you the power of this magnet. Okay, so I've undone the screws. Ugh! It's quite a heft, you have to pull that off. But just watch this, if you've got your skin caught in there, you ready? Oh! That could take you by surprise, couldn't it? Pretty cool. So I'm gonna... There's the size comparison. much chunkier. It looks fantastic. So I'm going to put this on now, carefully. Oof! There we are. And I'll do the nuts up. Okay, so here are the wheels, the new PU sleeves 100mm in situ. As you can see, they look fantastic. Going to turn the board on and make sure that they go around evenly. Well, looks good to me. Now, the weather in the UK has just turned, and now we're going to get a week of rain. It's just awful out there. So I'm not going to be able to test these. Hopefully on the next dry day, I'll get out there and see if the ride improves. And also I want to do an extreme hill test. So keep an eye out, and I'll post that up as soon as I can film it. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future skateboarding videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.